Notice in the water how the animals swim. Notice how. Okay guys, today we're going to be making this drone, and the name of the drone is the parrot anafi. It's a real life drone. It's supposed to be collapsible, but when I made it collapsible, it wasn't good, so it's not going to be collapsible. But let's start building. Ow, my ears. Ah! Stick bug person. That's that side. Okay, so let's build it there. Go up to and wedge twos, wedge in. And then get it to there and put it like that. And then a block on. Actually, there are two ways to build it. The way I have it right now is with a motor there, so that's how I'm gonna build it. You can get rid of that motor if you want. You don't have to have that motor. And then a motor on top of that motor. And then you want to grab a block and propeller blade. So this is just gonna be like you just grabbed it after placing the motors. So it's gonna be like that. And the left front motor is QE speed 50. So QE speed 50. And then the bottom motor is same but left shift. Or just shift. What does my friend want there? Okay. So, next, what we're gonna do is go and grab some wedge twos. Put it on its side, like that, and place like that. The other side, we're gonna do the same, like that. And then we're gonna put a block. And so there are 1, 2, 3 on the left, and 1, 2, 3 on the right. So we're just gonna continue doing that. So like that. And then, oops. Like that, and then that, and then go back to wedges, grab that, and I guess I have to do that, and then that. And from there, I'm gonna do the gradient on the drone as well. So yeah. Now you're gonna have a block there, there, and there. So you have a block there, so boom, boom. And then you're just gonna do that again. So grab the wedge 1x2 and then just do the thing again. 1, 2, and 3. The controls are not going to be the same though. Controls are different. And then like that. And then, wow, the lag. Like that. And then you're gonna grab a motor again, flip it right side up, and then do that. We're gonna go to wedge 2s and like that. Half blocks. No. Yeah, no. Like that. And that's the kind of front half done. So the bottom one is E left shift 50. So E left shift 50. And so the top one's just now EQ, it has to be reversed. So like that. And then we're just gonna redo what we already had with the block there. But now, oh, that's cool. But now, instead of the propeller being like that, we're gonna press T twice, not Y, T, and then do the same. And